Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is our today's question on LeetCode, and this question is basically daily challenge on 10th August, and the question is search in rotated sorted array 2. So basically this is the second part of search in rotated array. Okay, rotated sorted array. Okay, so we will read this question first and we will try to figure out how we can solve this question. So basically there is an integer array nums sorted in non-decreasing order. Okay, and it is given that not necessary with distinct values. Okay, so it is not necessary that we are having unique values only. We can have values which are repeated. Okay, and before being passed to your function, nums is rotated at an unknown pivoted end k, which is in between this range, and after the rotation, what is the resulting array? The resulting array is like nums of k plus 1 to nums of n minus 1, and after that nums of 0, nums of 1, and nums of k minus 1. So in this way the array has been rotated. So basically it is same as that in the question, search in rotated sorted array. Okay, so basically this was also the same in that previous question, and so you can see that the example, for example, if this is a sorted array and we rotate it about this index 5, so after rotation the array will look like this. Okay, so what we have to do, we are given with another integer target, and we have to return true if the target is present in this nums, and return false if it is not present. Okay, so we have to solve this question. Okay, we have to find out whether this nums contains target or not. So basically what we can do, we can use we can just iterate over all n indices, and we will check whether at any particular index we are having target or not. So this can be of order n solution. So I will write here uh, uh, what we can do. Approach 1. So approach 1, we can iterate over all n indices. Okay, so corresponding to this approach, our time complexity is of order n, but we are looking for much optimized code. So you can see that we have solved the question search in rotated sorted array in log n complexity. So we will also try to solve this question in the same complexity. So what we can do, we can use binary search here. So we can use approach 2, so that is binary search. Okay, and we will do the same thing that we have done in our previous question, that is search in rotated sorted array. And what we will do, we will have some of the cases, okay, some cases with us. So what will be the case? Okay, I will try to explain it. So basically we will first have our indexes left and right. So int left is equal to 0 and right is equal to nums dot size minus 1, and in while loop we will have condition left is less than equal to right. Okay, and what we can say, if okay, we will have mid with us. So mid is nothing but left plus right minus left upon 2, and if this nums of mid is equal to target, so in this case we will just return true because we have found the number, and otherwise we will try to do something in order to find whether we are having a target or not. So basically you can see that if in the case if we are having mid as let's say this is our array. Okay, and you can see that we are let's say here we have 2. Okay, so you can see that in this case, or we will have 1 here, you can see that we are having mid on this index, and you can see that we are having uh, nums of left and nums of right. Initially we will have left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 4. So integer at both the indices are same. Okay, and it is no okay, it is both indices are same, and it is equal to nums of mid. So what we can say, we can just remove these numbers. Okay, and we can check for the resultant array. We will check for this array. So basically what we are doing, we are increasing the value of left index and we are decreasing the value of right index. So that's what we will do here first. So if nums of left is equal to nums of mid, and again we will have nums of right is equal to nums of mid. So in this case what we will do, we will just increase the value of left and we will just decrease the value of right. So basically we are searching on a small sub array. Okay, so what we are doing, we will search on small sub array. So that's what we have done here. And otherwise what we will do, we will have all the cases same as it is, which we have done in search in sorted array. Okay, search in rotated sorted array. So what was the first case? You can see that if nums of uh, left is less than equal to nums of mid. So in this case we will again have two more cases with us. So if target is greater than equal to nums of left and target target is less than nums of mid. So in this case what we will do, we will search for left part. Okay, so we will search for left part of array. Okay, so basically what does it mean, we will just write left is equal to mid plus 1. Okay, I will attach the link of that video, search in rotated sorted array, and here in that video I have explained why I am using these cases here. Okay, so I have explained in good way in that video. You can see that video. Okay, I will attach that video in description. Okay, and as of now I am just writing those cases. Okay, so and all other cases we will search for right part. Okay, so basically what does it mean? Okay, we were searching for left part here, no? So we will have right is equal to mid minus 1, and here we are searching for right part. We will update left is equal to mid plus 1. And here in all other cases, if target is less than nums of right and target is greater than nums of mid. Okay, so target is greater than nums of mid. So in this case what we will do, we will just search for uh, right part. Okay, so we will search for right part. So that's why left is equal to mid plus 1, and otherwise we will search for left part, and that's why we will have right is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, so you can see that yeah, we have written true when our mid is equal to target, and we have compressed our video. We have minimized the size of our window from both side if nums of left is equal to mid and nums of right is equal to mid. Okay, and otherwise we have taken those two cases that we have taken in search in rotated sorted array. Okay, in basically in the part 1 of this question. And otherwise what we will do, we will just, and if we didn't find any such a value target, what we will do, we will just return false here. Okay, so we will just return false. So let us see whether the code works or not. There is some kind of error here. Basically, okay, after this what we have to do, we have to continue the case. Okay, so we have to write continue, because if we are doing this, we are not supposed to do all these things. Okay, so that's why I have to write continue here, or we can also write else if here. So if else if here, or we can write continue here also. So both are same. So let us run the code again. So I have written continue here because we are not going to run on these cases, because we are going on these case. So that's why we have to write continue to update the value of left and right. Okay, so you can see that all the cases are passing, all the tests are passing. Let us see for main cases. So yeah, you can see that all the cases are passing, and you can see our solution is beating 100% of C++ users. And I will again try to explain this code. So basically, first approach was that we can go in order of n time complexity. We will iterate over all n integers indexes, and we will check whether we are having particular integer target or not. Otherwise, we will do binary search, and the binary search part is exactly same as we have done in search in rotated sorted array. So I will write here, this part is uh, very similar. It is not same, it is very similar to the approach that we have done in search in rotated sorted array. Okay, so you can see that video for this for the approach. Okay, and there is only one difference, that we are having repeated values here. So we are taking this case that if nums of left is equal to nums of mid, and nums of right is equal to nums of mid, and if it is not, and mid is not equal to true, so so we are on this case, which means that mid is not equal to true. So in this case, what we can do, we can remove left and right. So that's why we have increased the value of left and right, and we have continued the case. Okay, and otherwise these two cases are exactly same in search and rotated sorted array. You can see how these two cases are working in that video. And if we found mid is equal to target, nums of mid is equal to target, we have written true, otherwise we have written false. In this way we have solved this question. And if you have any kind of doubt regarding this question, you can ask me in comment section. And if you have any other idea regarding this question, you can again write in comment section. And if you like my solution, if you like my code, you can like my video also. And if you want to see some more videos like this, you can subscribe my channel, and the code link will be provided in description. Thank you.